Now you can see here that the brake shoe is attached to the main arm by a horseshoe-shaped clip. Remove the clip using a screwdriver by pulling the ends apart and prying it off. Now remove the brake shoe. Get your new rear brake shoe and put the pin in the same place as the old shoe. Set the shoe on the ground face down and gently tap the pin into place. Fit the shoe into the emergency brake arm, put on a new horseshoe-shaped clip to hold the brake shoe and the emergency brake arm together, slipping the clip over the stud and squeezing the ends together with a pair of pliers. Put the small adjusting arm back on now and put a new clip on to hold it in place. Now flip the shoe back into its original position. Take the small piece of the upper adjuster and put it back on. The square end of it fits into this hole on the adjusting arm. Reattach the spring that goes from the brake adjusting arm to the brake shoe. The end fits into the hole as shown here. Take the small spring that holds the bottoms of the brake shoes together and hook it into the rear brake shoe as shown here. Take the front brake shoe and attach it to the spring at the bottom. Slide the bottom portion of the brake shoe behind this metal piece at the bottom. Slide the anchor pin that is still attached to the inside of the brake drum and put it through the hole in the center of the brake shoe while holding it in place. Slide the bottom washer on with the raised side facing up, the spring, then the top washer with the raised part facing down. Using your brake spring tool, push in and give it all 1/4 of a turn so that the shoe is locked into place. Slide the back leg of the spring into this hole on the rear brake shoe. You must make sure that the opposite end of the brake adjusting mechanism fits into the notch at the top of the front brake shoe. Now this is how it should look. Now put your brake drum back on. Go to the back and you'll see a slot. Take your screwdriver or other tool, stick it in the slot, and turn the star wheel upwards. Now as it's turned, you'll hear a click. Keep turning the wheel until you hear a slight drag when you spin the brake drum. Now what this is doing is expanding the brake shoes to fit the diameter of the drum. Now when you're finished, put your tire back on using the star-shaped pattern and you're done. Be sure to check your brake fluid level when you're finished.